tree has been tapped. Doesn't get much more Canadian than this. Now we're going to make a cocktail with it.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Welcome.
How are you?
Well, how are you?
Good, good. So I have some fresh maple syrup from the tree.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Could you make me a drink with it?
Is this maple syrup or the maple water?
It's the maple water. I was joking. This is actual maple syrup. I know how it works. Can you make something interesting for me?
Happily.
All right. I'll be over here.
Naturally.
Thanks.
So, maple syrup.
Classic Canadiana.
Ounce and a half.
Yeah, I think 45 minutes would be great.
Lemon.
Freshly pressed lemon juice is delicious.
Half an ounce.
Half an ounce. You smell that?
That's a good call.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Nice with the maple syrup. Okay. Half ounce as well.
I think so.
A shaken drink, a stirred drink. What do you
Yeah,
want to do?
yeah. I think shaken. Maybe something a little bit of citrus in there will balance off the sweetness of the maple.
Maybe something to lengthen it out. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking there's nothing more classic than ginger ale.
Ginger ale. Yeah. Good technique. Finish it off with a little bit of rosemary.
It sounds delicious. Let's go give it to me.
Okay.
Wow. That looks good. What is it?
This is a Tanqueray number 10 highball. Using the maple syrup that you gave to us.
Yes.
A little bit of lemon, a touch of rosemary, and a little bit of ginger ale as well. In honor of your visit, we're going to be calling this one the Welcome to Canada. Cheers.
Well, thank you so much. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Don't let the rosemary go up your nose.